kung saan tayo nag-aaral. Lagi po tayo pinapayuhan ng ating punong guro na magdala ng tubig at tayo
Grab our boards and run, 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 run to the nearest shore. School is proud, let's go now and hail it out the door. Yeah, the waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot. Yeah. Cool down.
Noong March 1, 2024, may isang bahay na nasunugan malapit sa LCC store at mabuting walang nasaktan or nasanhi.
Another version of me.
Ngayong panahon ay mataas na talaga ang presyo ng bigas lalo na sa sobrang init ng ating naranasan at hindi masyadong umuulan na kailangan manananim ng gulay at manananim ng bigas.